sparkly people, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Vera Valentina, and let's get right into it. A lot of you guys have been asking me,
Vera, how do I build a burlesque costume on a budget?
So I have decided to answer your questions, and I am going to build a burlesque costume for you. Well, mostly it's for me because I have a gig coming up and I need it, but it's for you too. We're gonna share because you get to learn while I build. It's gonna be great. Most of these burlesque girls are out here spending anywhere between $500 and $5,000 on a costume. I'm trying to get y'all right. Let's do this. But before we get this video started, I need you guys to do me a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and share it with a friend. Share it with all your burlesque friends, share it with your non-burlesque friends, whatever. Everybody needs to know how to build a burlesque costume just in case, right? So people are wondering, how do you start building a burlesque costume? So I started by sketching out kind of what I wanted to do with my costume. In this particular case, I'm thinking a fur hat, fur stole, a white jacket, white gloves, a white skirt, maybe even a cape or something. I don't know what I'm feeling. When you're building a burlesque costume, you have to build it a little bit differently than you would a normal costume because there are layers to a burlesque costume. Your pasty layer, your underwear layer, if you've got like an intermediary something, and then of course the top layer. I like to work backwards. So the first thing that I purchased was my underwear. So I got a push-up bra and a matching underwear set. Now I just purchased this. Right now we're doing a purchase and embellish building a burlesque costume here on a budget. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I bought, and I have the receipt so we can tally up exactly how much I've spent so far. We've got limited time. So like I said, I went to La Senza and I just bought a lingerie set. So the set that I bought, I think is real simple, real easy. I just need something to make my boobs look good. So I bought this bra here. It's got a lot of padding on the inside. It's thick, because I have little boobs and I want my boobs to sit up and I want them to look juicy. And then I also got a pair of underoos. I'm gonna throw this on the floor. I shouldn't throw it on the floor because you should treat your costume pieces with reverence. I tried on the costume before I got on video. I know, I'm a horrible person. Bought an underbra and I thought this was pretty cute. I thought it was too modern and my costume is a little bit more classic, so I'm probably not gonna wear this, but I do like the underwear that it came with. Now, this is where it gets NSFW. The pair of underwear that I bought is crotchless. I didn't realize that until I got home. So I will not be modeling this for you on camera. See, it's all strappy. So many straps. I'm probably gonna alter this pair of underwear, add a crotch, obviously. There it is. Now you can see there's no crotch in it. Oh, cute. You can't wear crotchless panties on stage in a burlesque environment. You have to cover your nether regions, your pink bits, and your booty bits. Also gonna wear a safety thong underneath. And a lot of people don't wear safety thongs underneath their costumes, and they should. Talk about a safety thong. Ladies, gents, and my gender non-conforming folk. And a safety thong is important because you wear that underneath your costume just in case your costume malfunctions. So they don't see anything that they're not supposed to. I'm skipping around a whole bunch here. So I showed you guys the bra. I showed you guys the underbra that I'm not gonna use, that I am going to return. And I showed you guys the underwears. So let me pull out this receipt here. So from La Senza so far, I have spent a total of $92.71. However, the costume, they call it a costume, it's so funny. They call it a costume demi-bra. I'm gonna take that back. So let's go ahead and subtract $29.95 from $92.71, and I'm gonna do that on camera because I do burlesque, I don't do math. We're in Joann's right now because I came to pick up some E6000 glue, burlesquers, dream glue, and some crystals. More stuff! A lot of crafters will know what this stuff is. I went to Joann's and I got the holy grail of glues. Sponsor me, E6000, because I'm gonna be using you in all my videos. But E6000 is an amazing glue. It's great for gem tack. It's washable, so once you put this on your costume, if you use this to attach your rhinestones or your fringe or whatever, it won't come off. I got two because I wanted the precision tips that it came with, and these were $4.99 each. And I'm doing a white costume, so I bought some white tassels. These were $3.49. Now I would tell you guys what the total is on this receipt, but there's also a Milky Way Midnight enclosed in there. You see that right at the top. But I wanted a snack for while I rhinestone, except for it didn't make it home. I ate it in the car. So in total at Joann's, I spent $17.04, but subtract $1.99 for that expensive candy bar that I ate, okay? We have taken care of the bra layer and the underwear layer. Will, like I said, be wearing a safety thong, and I'm going to add a gusset to those underwear. I am also going to be wearing a pair of nude Capizio Pro fishnets.
Y'all, when they say weebles wobble but they don't fall down, they were talking about Capizio fishnet tights. These bad boys right here. Look at this. How many pairs of tights do you know can stretch like this?
They are so stretchy, but at the same time, when I tell y'all, they are hold you in. These things will make your legs look active and fresh and thick and juicy. This is gonna change your life. So again, now that we have taken care of the bottom layer of this costume, it is time to take care of the top layer. I haven't decided whether I'm gonna wear a corset or not. I think this is all gonna depend on what the prices are looking like and the styles are looking like once I get on the line to start shopping. But I'm gonna take you guys with me for that. So here we go. My first stop is always Google, just to remind myself of my vision. I'm making this in white, I think. And I've also gone ahead and made an adjustment to my sketch. Now I'm on Amazon first, trying to find some pieces. But then we had a little bit of a breakthrough. So you know, I was showing you guys my sketch and everything on here, but I think everything is gonna change because the jacket that I saw on Amazon, this one that I sketched out here, is $36.99. However, I just so happen to be a shameless Fashion Nova hoe. So I decided I would check over here just to see if I could find anything, and I did. So they have the perfect matching top and skirt that both already have buttons on them that I can just adjust slightly, add some stones, some fur, whatever. Now you see the jacket is $29.99 and the skirt is $29.99 and the jacket is $37.99, which brings us to a total of $67.98. But they are, I can't even talk right now, I'm so excited. They've extended their Cyber Monday / Black Friday sale. So I'm about to put in the code that they have here and see how much I get off. So I'm about to type in this code really quick and see how much they take off. What? Y'all see, I was about to spend $29.99 on a skirt and $36.99 on a jacket, and now I'm about to spend $33.99 for both, and it's already done. I don't have to add anything to it. I gotta redo my sketch completely. I'm ordering this right now. Yes. So building a burlesque costume on a broke bitch budget. Yes. All right, now I'm gonna show you some of the accessories I bought on Amazon. Okay, this looks like the fur hat. Oh, it's not a hat, it's a headband. Okay, we can still work with this. Rhinestones. These are crystal flat back, 4.8 millimeter. These are SS20, 1,440 pieces. These are gonna come in handy. White satin gloves, short ones since I've got the suit jacket on, and then the pièce de résistance. I've got 2 little arm cuffs to get some fur on my wrists. Well, tell me that that's not cute. Tell me that's not cute. And I'm gonna attach these to my suit with the gloves and the hat and the stones. I got the last few pieces of my costume in today. I am so excited to show you guys. It's gonna be good. So one of the last pieces that I ordered was this white stole here, and I'm trying to decide if I'm going to attach it to the suit or not, or if I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's also got like a little pull-through hole. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I could just put this on top of the suit. And you've got like this cute little wintry dealio happening here. Wonderful. The suit that I got for $33.99 is here. Let's unbox it. Well, let's unbag it. It didn't come in a box, so. So like I said, I ordered a full suit, a jacket, and skirt that are both buttoned down, so this should be really easy to make into a costume, but we'll see. one. Piece number two. So this is the skirt. Got it in a size large because I got a big old booty. Oh, it's a nice heavy material. Nice and heavy. And it's got these nice buttons on the front. Oh, you guys. Oh, you guys, you girls. Don't mind my broken nail there, but this is magic. Magic! So we love the skirt. We love it. Now we've got to open the jacket. Dip, jacket. Oh my gosh, you guys. Can y'all see this? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's belted, it's got the same matching stones on the front. This is gonna be really good, guys. This is definitely worth the $33 that I paid for it. I'm so excited about this costume. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. I'm probably going to do something about the sleeves because they're a little bit chunkier than I wanted them to be. But overall, I think this is gonna work out. Stay tuned, y'all. This is gonna be amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am gonna go ahead and post the total amount that I spent on this burlesque costume on a budget right about here. And you guys will see that I spent nowhere near those $5,000 big budget burlesque costumes that you see in Vegas and New York. Stay tuned for my next video if you wanna see exactly how this entire costume comes together. I've also got a couple of traveling showgirl vlogs that are coming your way. Thank you guys again for watching. Again, my name is Vera Valentina, giving you all the burlesque beauty and booty that you need here on YouTube. See you next time.